to generate Meet link in Google Classroom, and that meeting link will be visible to all the students who are there in your classes. So what you have to do, firstly you will open your web browser and you will write here gmail.com, www.gmail.com. You press enter. So here, if your my ID is already available here, I can click on that. This is my ID. If that ID is not available, you can click on use another account and just type here your ID which is provided by the school, the G Suite ID which is provided by your school. So I am entering here. So this is my G Suite ID or Gmail ID, you can say. It is just like the Gmail ID which we generally create in Gmail domain. So this ID I am writing here. Just press next. After pressing next, it will ask you to enter password. So if you are log in your account first time, that password I have already given in the WhatsApp group, that password can be written here, and after that it is recommended to change that password. So I am entering here my password. I have already changed it, so I will press here next for going into my account. So this is my account now. Now for opening Google Classroom, on the top right corner you can observe 9 dots are available. Just click on that. All the applications which is there available in Google, that will be available here. So you can see in the second row Google Classroom app is available. Just click on it. So this is my Google Classroom which is associated with my G Suite account. So if you want to create new classroom, that can be easily created by pressing on this plus symbol, and you can go in create class and you can create the class of corresponding subject. So it is recommended to all the subject teachers to create different classes for different subjects for each class in which you are teaching. Like take one example. I am teaching in all these classes, so I have created different class for each and every section for my subject. So suppose this is my first class. This is 11th A Informatics Practices, 11th A Computer Science, 10th F Informatics Practices, 10th E Informatics Practices. Likewise, the subject which I am teaching in different classes, that classes will be created in your Google Classroom. Each and every teacher will create separate classroom for their subject for separate classes. So I have created all these. So that can be created by clicking on this plus button, and you can go in create classroom. Here one protocol I have followed, that I have written the school code 1418 and then dash, then I have written here the class and then the subject within bracket I have specified here. Then after that in section I have written my name and the timetable, like for example in 11th E, if my class is there on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. from 9 to 9:40, I can write it in section. Then subject, you can write your subject and then you will press on create button and your class will be created. So I am just cancelling it because I don't want to create any class. So you can see So first, the first information which I have written over there, that will be the first line. First and second line will be shown on the class dashboard. On the class dashboard, you can see the first two, that is the name of the class as well as the section. The section you have written over there. In that, I have written my name and the timetable. Then, if you want to invite the students, there are two methods to invite the student. First method is you just click on the classroom which you have created, and then you can see the third tab, that is people tab. You can go on people tab, and then here you can type the addresses, email addresses which we have provided to our student, that you will type here, and then you will press on invite. So one invitation will be sent to the email ID of the corresponding student, and when the student will accept your request of invitation, that student will be automatically added to your class. There is another method to add the student. What you will do, you go back in your class. Suppose this is my class 11th A. You observe this class code. You provide that class code to your student of class 11th A, and then that code will be entered by the user in their corresponding Google Classroom application, and they can join your class. Then the next thing is that if you want to generate the meeting link for each class there will be an individual meeting link. For generating that, what you will do, जिस भी class का आपको link create करना है, you will go that class. Suppose this is my class. This practice you have to do only once. एक ही बारी करनी है आपको. You just press on generate meet link. Press on generate meet link, and then generate meet link again. Then this meeting link will be there, and you can copy it, as well as make sure that you have switched on this visible to student, so that this link will always be visible to your student, and these students can click on this link and can join your class. You need not to share the link of your class every time. This link will be available in the classroom always. This practice you have to done only once. So you will give here save. So it is saving that. You can see, you observe that meeting link, the permanent meeting link is available now on the dashboard of that particular class. Likewise, if you want to generate the next meeting link, suppose I want to generate the meeting link of next class. Suppose this is 10th E. Again, you can see here generate meeting link is there. You click on that, then generate meeting link, then make this on. This button should be switched on, so that this link should be available to your student, and then save. This practice you have to do only once. So this will always be visible. This meeting link will always be visible to your student, and whenever you want to take class with your student, you just click on this link, and then student will click on this link by using their own dashboard, and those students will be available in your class. So this is the method how to get Meet link, that means Gmeet link, and how to take class from this Google Classroom. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.